Okay, so today we're going to be having a look at contour lines. Now, on this map we have here, I've only drawn a few contour lines. On the map that you guys will be working with, or a normal topographic map, you will have contour lines throughout the entire map, and they'll be very thin, normally thin red lines. What I've done here, just so that we can go through the principles of it, is we have a couple of thick red lines here and here. And each of the lines are marked with a number value. So what's the purpose of the contour lines? The contour lines are supposed to show changing elevation. So if you can see in the background behind me on the video, where we have the Golden Gate Bridge, as the land continues to go higher and higher up from the sea level, that is what these lines are showing. Imagine where it's down at the center, means it's very close to sea level, the land is very flat. And as we pass a red line, if you were standing there in the real world, you would be moving up. You'd be moving up in elevation, in height, and altitude. There are two very common questions that you are going to get about contour lines for topographic maps. The first one is, what is the contour interval? On a lot of topographic maps, if you simply look at the key where all the little icons are, there will be a contour interval there. It will say the contour interval is something like 50 meters or 20 meters, meaning that every line is separated equally into 10 meters or 20 meters or 100 meters, and it will always be the case. If your key is not that lucky and you need to work out the contour interval yourself, it is still incredibly easy. So let's come over here where the lookout is. We can see that the top line at the top of this hill where the lookout is 40. And the next line is 30. The next line is 20. And I bet you can guess what the last line is going to be. Is going to be 10. And that is also the lots that the lines are going up in. So it is 20-meter contour intervals on this map. Now that we know that, let's work out the height of two features. One is going to be building D, the other is going to be this purple well. What is the height of D? At the moment, D is in between two contour lines. It is in between the 20 and it is in between the 10. So just like everything that we've done in the past, when we're trying to be as accurate as possible, you just need to be within the goalposts. So you might say that the contour interval, that the height of D is 15 meters. You might want to hedge your bets and put it right in the middle. It's quite a large box right in the middle. You might want to say that it is less than 20, but greater than 10. Okay, you might just want to hedge your bets on that whole area. If you were to say it's 21, you're wrong. Okay. If you were to say that it is 9, you're wrong. So just know where the goalposts are. When it comes to this one, though, what is the height of the purple well? Because it falls very clearly on the line, what is expected is that you will be able to interpret that and that your most correct answer will be 30 meters high. So let's quickly recap. Contour intervals are showing about, sorry, that's not proper English. Contour intervals are showing us how elevation changes So every time you cross a line, the height of the land changes. The contour interval is the even chunks or the even amounts that elevation changes. In this case, it goes up 10 meters every line. When you have an object in between two lines, you are doing a guesstimate, trying to get it within the goalposts. Make sure you keep it within those lines. And when an object falls directly on a line, then you just quote or you select that particular height exactly.